Hello everyone! Welcome to Glorystar Laser. Today we will take you on a journey to explore the unique charm of laser cutting. First, what you see is the conventional bevel cutting. But have you seen the bevel cutting of Glorystar Laser's high precision G16PRO small tube cutting machine? Let's witness its strength together. Conventional bevel tube cutters struggle to maintain bevel cutting precision when cutting tubes under 40 mm. However, our G16PRO features a specially designed cutting head rotation mechanism and clamp, effectively preventing length variations caused by the tube suspension during the cutting process, achieving high precision and seamless bevel cutting for small tubes. Our G16PRO also includes a short tail material function. The cutting head can operate between two chucks, significantly shortening the tail material length and saving more material costs for you. Next, let's look at the dust removal function of our equipment. With and without dust removal, the workshop environment can be very different. The G16PRO is equipped with a high-efficiency dust removal system, providing you with a clean and healthy working environment. The Glorystar Laser G16PRO small tube machine solves your cutting problems with excellent performance. Choosing Glorystar Laser means choosing efficiency and quality.